Hello, Loida from loveacrylicpainting.com. Today I am going to show you how to make a dollar store acrylic pouring beginner's kit. So I am here at the Dollar Tree store and I'm going to go in there and try to find a couple of items to help you make this kit where you can, make your very first painting within maybe like a $10 budget. That's my goal. So we're gonna go and see if we can make that possible. So just follow me along and we're gonna go inside and just kind of take a look at what we can find, and I'll kind of explain on the way what each of those items will be used for in your kit. So come on, let's go. Okay, we're just walking in to Dollar Tree and I'm just gonna leave the camera on. I'm hoping that they don't tell me anything or they don't say anything about me recording inside the store. So let's just go. Okay, let's see. Oh dang it, I forgot to get a basket for my items. Okay, so first we're looking for glue. We need some glue to use as a pouring medium, because obviously they're not going to have like an expensive pouring medium at the dollar store. So we have to get some glue, and I didn't see any glue there. So let's keep looking. Okay, we're getting to the good stuff. Right here we have liquid adhesive. I'm not sure if this is gonna work. I'm gonna grab it in the meantime. But I see that there is some acrylic paints here, so I'm actually going to get these colors right here. I'm gonna get an orangey one, I'm gonna get purple and green. Those are the only three colors that they have. They have finger paint, but I don't know if this will, dang it. I don't know if this will work. Why not? Let's just take it. Okay, I actually ran back there and grabbed a basket because I wasn't able to hold everything in my hands. So I have a basket now, and I'm seeing that there's some craft sticks here. I also see these wood dowels, but because they are not flat, I don't think I'm going to be able to mix my paint really well, especially on the edges, so I won't be able to get to the edges. So I think I'm just going to stick with these even though they have color. I'm hoping that they don't actually, the paint doesn't actually come off while I'm stirring, but I'm hoping that they won't. And look what I found. I found some glitter. Maybe I'm gonna take some glitter and see what happens. I even see these other ones. I actually like these other ones better. They're brighter. So I'm gonna take a package of glitter and just kind of see what I can do with it. Let's see what else. There's even a pallet knife. Wow. Okay. Well, let's take this. I mean, it's a little bit not very sturdy, but it'll do. And I see a poster paint. I don't think I'm gonna take this because it has glitter and I don't really like how it looks, so we're not taking that. The other thing that I did find down here are some canvas. And here's the canvas. It's a 6 by 8. So I'm gonna take one of these. There are these other Canva panels, but I don't like them very much because they do tend to warp once you put paint on them. And the last time I tried one, it was specifically this brand from a dollar store. I was just using it to do a test, but I didn't really like all the warping. So I'm just gonna take a Canva panel, a stretched Canva panel, and hopefully that will do. I'm actually taking 2 of those. Oh, look at what I found here. Oh, but this is washable paint. Okay, no, maybe that won't work. I'm tempted to try it, but because it's washable, you know, I don't want to spend money there. But I do see here glue, but it's also washable glue. Well, I'm gonna get one for now because I haven't been able to find like a bigger container of glue yet, so, or a different kind of glue, so I'm just gonna take that for now and see if I can find something else. Okay, so here we are. I don't think we're gonna be able to find a varnish here. You know, varnish is gonna be more in the, you're gonna have to find at a craft store, but we're trying to make this a kit from the dollar store, so we're not gonna go that way. What is this? Lightweight spackling. Nope. Okay, so I do see that they have some paint brushes, but since we are not going to get a varnish, I'm not gonna get a paintbrush. Let's see, what else? So right here we're in the automotive section, and right here we want to get this. Okay, I'm not sure if this is gonna work. I mean, we do need a lubricant, which is made of silicone, but this one doesn't have silicone in it. So I'm not sure if this is gonna work. Well, let's see. Let's just put it in the basket for now. Okay, I came to the section where the posters are at, and I found poster paint. This one has glitter, so I'm not taking that, but I think I'm going to take this one. I really don't like the red and the green. The yellow it's okay, but mostly I'm taking it because of the white and the black, because I haven't been able to find white paint or black paint, and the white one kind of brightens up your painting, and black also makes some nice designs when used in combination with other colors. So I think that's why I'm taking this kit, just to, you know, to be able to have that white and black. And in the basket I have these other colors which I think look pretty bright, so I might combine like the black with the purple and maybe this. You know, I think those would look pretty cool together. So let's keep looking and see what else we can find. Okay, well now I'm in the section where all the cups are at, and I grabbed this. You know, they're not completely like see-through. You know, you can see through them, but you know, they still have some white color, but it'll be better than taking like a foam cup where you won't be able to see the paint at all. So I'm just gonna stick with these. They're translucent, 28 pieces. So we're gonna start with that. Let's keep on looking. Okay, so this is what I have so far in my basket. I took it out because I'm just gonna put in my basket the items that I really do want. I'm not going to take the glitter after thinking a little bit about it because I tried glitter before and I didn't really like the results, you know, the look of the paint. So I'm not going to take that. I like more of the metallics, you know, the metallic paints rather than glitter. So I'm not going to take that because we're going to try to stick with the budget. So I am going to take the sticks because I do need those. I need cups to mix my paint. I'm going to take these two colors because they do look really deep colored and bright. I'm not taking this one because it, you know, it looks a little bit, I don't know, dark to me. I would have wanted like a brighter green, so I'm not taking that. Plus that green is kind of similar to this green on the corner, but I don't plan on using green anyways. So I'm just going to take this because of the black and the white, because I do need a little bit of white paint. I'm going to need a canvas panel. I'm not sure if I should take just one or two, because I kind of want to test, you know, do two tests. So I'm going to take maybe two. Let me see, how much do we have right now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6 so far. Okay, we do need this, definitely. I'm going to stick with this. It's a lubricant, and even though it doesn't have silicone, it doesn't show any silicone in the ingredients, and so I'm not sure how it'll work because it's not silicone, but we'll give it a try. And I have this, which is our palette knife. This is not completely necessary, so you don't have to include this in your kit, but I just thought, you know, it would be a little bit nice to have, you know, considering that it's $1 and I can just use it for my projects as well. Even though it's not like very good quality, you know, it's still useful. So I'm going to take that, and I'm going to keep on looking for glue because this is washable glue and I don't want to use that. And this other type of glue is just 1.2 ounces and I need more than that, so I'm not taking any of these two. I'm just going to keep looking for another glue. So here I am just going to show you some options that you have. They're not necessary and I'm not going to take them, but they are options, and I'm going to kind of show you what they are. And this is one option. You can use this to catch the paint from your paintings, and you can also use, you know, one of those like a pan. I'm not going to take one of those in this kit because I'm actually going to take a dollar store plastic cover, you know, for like a table, and that's what I'm going to use to catch the paint from my painting. But you can definitely use this, then wash it and reuse it. The other option, since you don't want your paint to be completely on top of that surface, you want it a little bit higher than that so that the paint can drip over the edges. You don't have to buy anything separate. You can just use the same cups that you're going to be buying and just place 4 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, place those cups upside down and just put your painting on top. Okay, and the other option I have for you is this. I found this here as well. It's a cooking rack, and it has a little bit of height from the, you know, it can give you a little bit of height from the surface that you're placing it on. It's not very much, but you know, it still allows you to put it like maybe on top of a cookie sheet and it'll give you a little bit of space on the bottom, and then that way the paint, you can place your painting on top of the rack and then it'll drip below onto the pan. So that's another option if you don't want to use just, you know, plain cups. The other option I found was this. You know, it's an organizer basket. And so this, you would just place it upside down over your cookie sheet, and you would place your painting on top, just so that the paint drips. So, you know, these two are also good options. They're, you know, just $2 more to get something like that. But for, you know, for my purpose, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take one of these. It's just a plastic table cover, also from the dollar store, and this I'm gonna be able to use it to protect my furniture, my table, use it to catch the paint that's dripping from my painting. And I'm just going to use 4 cups to hold my painting. The reason I'm not taking the cookie sheet is because I already have a pan at home, a big, huge cookie sheet pan that I bought for myself. So for the sake of this video, I'm not going to waste another $1 on this cheaper version, but I do use the plastic a lot because I use that to cover my furniture underneath my cookie sheet pan. So I'm just going to take this plastic table cover, but you can get whatever you want. I'm just trying to, you know, give you some options and tell you what I'm going to purchase, and just to try to keep it under $10. So far, let's see, how much do I have? I have 1 canvas panel, so $1, $2, $3, purple paint $4, lubricant $5, cups $6, sticks $7, and I'm going to take another canvas panel, so that's going to be $8. Then this palette knife, I'm not going to count it in my budget because it's not necessary, but I'm just going to take it for myself. So that's $8. Then the plastic cover is $9. And I just need my glue. That's it. So that will give me $10 worth of products. My acrylic pouring kit for $10. Okay, so I'm officially out of the Dollar Tree store, and I wasn't able to find glue. I'm gonna go to another Dollar Tree store that's on the way home, and hopefully I can find a glue that I can use for this beginner's kit. But so far I have spent just a little bit over $8. So with the glue, that will make it, you know, $10 and, you know, a few cents. So that will make my beginner's kit cost around $10. So that's it for this video. I am going to make another video where I actually test these products and actually make a painting out of these dollar store products, or this dollar store kit that we just built, just to kind of see how it works out, to see if the lubricant that we actually bought is going to work, if it's going to help us create some cells, and if the paint is going to, you know, kind of keep those bright colors. So I'm going to link that video in the description below, so make sure that you go and check it out. Also make sure you subscribe, click the bell icon that is below this video so that you get notifications whenever I upload a new tutorial video or one of my experiment videos with acrylic pouring. And I also have a link in the description below for a cheat sheet for those of you that are beginners and don't really know where to start. So make sure you check that link below in the video to be able to get that free cheat sheet. So that's it for today. I will see you in my next video.